So you'll find the sunshade folded up, and first step is to unfold it. There's a top side and a bottom side. So we're just gonna fold it. You'll see, pretty obvious, but there's things on this one. Top. It's also rectangular, so it's not perfect. And the long side goes this direction, so between the poles. So once we have it all spread out, we want to undo the rope off the cleat. So this knot just stays tied. Never untie this knot. Just undo the cleat and lower it down. And then undo these carabiners. And we're going to hook this carabiner onto this corner. Undo this cleat. And we're going to clip onto this corner. And this over here. Notice these rolls are lower, so the sunscreen has to tighten up. It has to rain roll outside the water. Undo cleat. Go down. Undo carabiner. Corner. And this side. And roll up here. Wraps around the cleat. We're going to do what they call a half hitch, which is around this way. And then we're going to do a full hitch, tighten it up. Actually, we're going to do on the top. Full hitch, tighten it up. Okay, so that side's done. But that's just a loose, you know, we're going to adjust it later. That's just a rough one. So we do the same thing. Down, and then put the full hitch on top, so the loose end go down. Keep the four rope roughly equal. Get rid of it. Full hitch on top. This is obviously not the way you want it. So you can kind of eyeball which one's really long. This one's really long. We tighten it up. Tighten this one up. You don't want to get too carried away because you'll see these poles kind of bend in. So don't get too carried away. And this side. Tight. And that's pretty good. And that's pretty much it. You're never going to get it totally tight, but as long as it's fairly tight, you'll feel the tension on the ends. And again, it's tilted down so the water will roll under. This deck gets extremely hot. It's a good idea to put your chairs under the shaded area there. And that's it. If it looks like it's going to storm or you're at the end of the trip, you're ready to take this down, it's fairly easy, so let's go ahead and do that. It's pretty obvious, especially since you put it up. You undo these cleats, let it sag, the wind's going to blow it around, cleats, sag down, hold up, okay, now that it's down, what we're going to do is we're going to undo the carabiner. And what I like to do is connect the two carabiners together. Otherwise, they're just going to sag on the deck. And just lift them up a little bit. The cleat, full hitch on the top. Same thing over here. And you don't have to get it super tight, but just kind of up in the air. That way it's not dragging on the ground. Same thing on this side. And then we simply fold it up. This is just like doing a sheet on your bed. Again, 2 people, do way better. Bring the corners together. And that's all there is to it.